For a long time, JavaScript did not have the concept of module export and import. Many programming languages like Python, C# and Java can already do this, and thanks to ES6, now we can use the functions available in one JavaScript module in other JavaScript modules. Before that, we had to use libraries like System.js to accomplish this, but we no longer need it. ES6 has the support for modularizing, and we can import one module inside another module and use them. But not all the browsers have the support for modules yet, and also if you try to run a JavaScript module by including it in another module in your Chrome web browser, you will see CORS issues, that is cross-site scripting issues, which we can overcome by creating our scripts on the node server, but we will not be going through all that pain. I will give you the syntax for now, and whenever the browsers are ready, I'll come back and give you more examples. It's as simple as this. You will create a JavaScript file or a module, and within that file you can use the export keyword against your functions, and those functions will be automatically exported, and you can then import that module and all the functions that are available in that module in any other JavaScript file in your application using the import keyword followed by the name of the functions within flower brackets from the relative path to that module. There are different variations of these syntaxes, but this is the base syntax, and as I said, I will add the hands-on example as soon as the issues are resolved in Chrome.